Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm talking about file names and extensions. A file name is made up of two parts, a name and an extension. Looking at this window that's open, you will see that there are several file names here. There are several files in this folder, and this part, using the first part here as an example, this is a file name which is usually specified by the creator of the file, ADSL data source, right? It usually describes the file content. The file name usually describes the file content. So if you look at ADSL data source, you should also have an idea of what should be inside the file. Now the extension, using this particular first file here as an example, you would see that there is no extension. Now I'm going to describe what extension are. 3 or 4 letters or numbers that appear at the end of a file name. If you look here, this is a file name. There are no 3 or 4 letters or numbers that appear at the end of this file name here. Okay, those extensions indicate what type of file it is. Extensions indicate what type of file it is, whether it's gonna work in your computer or not. Alright, so the files that I have here, there are no extensions. It doesn't indicate no extensions. So to show the extensions of these files, what you need to do is you go to my computer on the desktop, double click my computer on the desktop. Now by the tools menu, click the down arrow by organize tab. Now scroll down to where you have the folder and search option. Click on that button. Now this dialog box appears. Click on the view tab. Once the view tab opens, uncheck the hide extensions for known file types. Hide extensions for known file types. Uncheck it, apply, click OK. Now close my computer. Now I'm going to close this stuff. I'm going to close this window and reopen it. Then you would see, wow, it's already there. I don't need to close it. You can see right here that we have a file extension already. Good. So using this first file here as an example again, you will see the file extension is where you have the .ndb. This number 2 here becomes the file extension, right? The file extension, and here is the file name. If you also go further down to see the second file there, by memo, now the file extension is showing, which is .xls. That tells you the kind of file that it is. It's an Excel file. Now this calendar tells you it's a .test file. So the extensions, so a file extension starts with and then it tells you what kind of file type it is. I hope you do like this video, and don't forget to share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.